Pouilly-Fumé is a type of French white wine made in the Loire wine region of France. Pouilly-Fumé is made from the grape Sauvignon Blanc in a town that is called Pouilly-sur-Loire, so Pouilly on the Loire River. Pouilly-Fumé. Pouilly-Fumé is often confused with Pouilly-Fuissé. Pouilly-Fumé is made in the Loire from Sauvignon Blanc, while Pouilly-Fuissé is made in Burgundy from Chardonnay grapes. So not at all the same kind of wine. Pouilly-Fumé is grassy, a little tropical, quite mineral, crisp and zingy from Sauvignon Blanc grapes. Pouilly-Fumé. How to pronounce it? Well, you've heard it several times already. Pouilly-Fumé. 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 I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up to support my work before you go, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye. Cheers.